just along for the ride, I think. Just along for the ride. It's very warm today. Becky made it into the ride seat. One thing you can't control is the crowds around you on a crowded day, so we'll just see what happens. We'll drift along here. Yeah, that sun is hot. There's no way I'm standing in line for like 2 hours in the sun for one slide. We'll come back another midweek day or something and do that. So, really kind of relaxing. What are you, racing ahead? You're going to be long out of the shot. We'll see you at the end, I guess, Becky. Oh, I'm in a dead zone. Becky will be at the end before we get halfway. We got a big crowd coming behind us. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. I can still dip my feet in, so I've got the toe shoes. Oh no. Bouncing. Got the kids parked right there. Really, it's a relaxing ride. They got a little music playing. There goes Becca. Got a lot of guards. You get a little push off with the feet when you can. Oh no, now we're way ahead of Becky. Let's see if she catches up. A little bit of cloud cover today. These, I don't know if these are hornets or what, but there's a lot of bugs. You can see them all right here. Those are mayflies. The spiders and the seagulls have just been going crazy on them here. Let's see. Oh, you can see one of the chairs there. I'll try to see if Becky can catch up. There we go. Anchor in for a second. You're lagging behind, Becky.
Yeah, when you sped up on me, I slowed down.
So what do you think?
Very slow.
It's called the Lazy River. You know, what else are you gonna do? You just kick back and you laze in the sun. One of those things. Yeah, there's a lot of mayflies still. Definitely. You got a big crowd behind you, Becky. Come on over. Grab a toe, Becky. Grab a toe, quick. Grab it. You're gonna go by. Oh, now I have no steam. Oh, I'm in a dead spot. Little shade right here. He went in through the hole. It's funny. He fell through. It's so funny. Huh?
I slowed way down.
Yeah, sometimes you do. And then you just bounce into the crowd. I mean, there's no speed racing in the lazy river. They could use a few more jets, I think. Here's the hotel over there. She went in. She said bugs, bugs, bugs.
I jumped up on the sides to try and get away from the bugs, and I overturned the ground.
You know what? I'm not even going to question it. Of course you did. No.
We're almost there. There's so many boats in the center.
So there are like some dead spots in this. Sometimes you're cruising and other times you're not. Where did we get in it? Is it got one entrance and exit or what?
Yes, yeah, all the same size that one is east side.
Or is this the beach that we're coming up on here, the volleyball? I think it is. This could be the beach volleyball, Becky. So they have a wave pool too, I hear?
I would assume it's probably way
Yep. They need more jets, you know. Speed it on up. So that's Magnum XL up there. We're just settled in for a nice, quiet, lazy river ride. You just totally killed all my speed, Becky. You stole all my thunder right there. Get a little push off there. Yeah, you can see a few of the mayflies floating, for sure. Now I'm really flying. You just gave me all your speed. Becky's just spinning away there. Well, they have a lot of guards. That's why everyone's so quiet. It's just like... You're better off in the middle to stay away from the bugs, I think. Because there's a lot. Every other guard should have a net going, like right now. Just like, you know. Just like grabbing them. The whole crowd is caught up to me. So what do you think? Is this your first lazy river, Becky? Where at? Oh, in Wisconsin? The Dells? Were they indoor or outdoor? They have indoor lazy rivers at the Dells? Huh. We could go sometime. That's a winter deal. Inside?
outside. You go underneath the parking lot.
In the winter?
We're there Sure.
It's so disgusting.
Oh, boy, we're bottom
One or
looking.
two is like a bean.
I'm in a bad spot, Becky.
You're right. There was a little like so disgusting.
Oh, sorry. You're in the bugs. There's a lot right there. This is better over here. So you gotta get over here, Becky. And you're not in the bugs. At first I thought it was sand. But now I'm thinking it may be dead bug pieces. Or a combination thereof.
Just in case somebody needs help or med somewhere else, don't want to get away.
There's the beach. Lots of birds here. Some swimmers below us kicking us. Okay, we got it's wet. Okay, I got splish splashed and the raft got kicked there. We didn't founder, so I'm all good. It was touch and go. I wonder if they have a swimming pool. I don't know that swimming laps in the lazy river is really the best way to go. I'd swim against the waves in the wave pool. That's probably the best workout. I have no idea where Becky is. She has sailed to the back of the pack. Way over there. No controlling it, I guess. I'll give you a push. Drag my toes here in the water, just try to slow down a little bit. If I can get over to the ledge, I'll hold fast. My shoes, give Becky a chance to catch up. Hurry up, Becky. Oh, we lost the wall. It's pushing us away. She's locked into it, the triplets. They're connected. It's a trifecta situation. She'll never get out. Ooh, the cool tunnel. This is a good spot to stop. I gotta get over to the ledge. And just paddle a little more violently. And now Becky will catch up, so. Could be down trouble.
30 seconds. Yep, 45.
She might catch up. Maybe. Little tunnel here. Nice and cool. Half of this ride could be like this, in my opinion. So, alright, we just made contact with the triplets. We're gonna push them way over and all bottlenecked. Becky's in the middle of it. And I think this is the exit. Okay. At some point I'm gonna have to get out. Coming in for a landing. Coming in for the landing. It's cold. And we're about waist deep. We'll see if Becky makes it out. There she is. Good dismount. Alright. That is the lazy river if you stuck with us that long. Thanks for watching. It's been a relaxing trip here. And we'll see what Becky says. Well, what'd you think? Lots of fun, full of bugs.
Pretty slow.
Looks like our hats are still there, so. All right, see everybody later.